Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain about row minima method in transportation problem in operation research. Given problem is the row minima method. Row minima method. Given problem is 19, 30, 50, 10, 70, 30, 40, 60, 40, 50, 70, 20. F1, F2, F3, W1, W2, W3, W4. Warehouse requirements. Factory capacities. These are warehouse requirements. Factory capacities. 7, 9, 18. Solution. Here we choose first row. 19, 30, 50, 10, 70, 30, 40, 60, 40, 50, 70, 20. F1, F2, F3, W1, W2, W3, W4. 5, 8, 7, 14, 7, 9, 18. This is the row minima method. In the row which is the minimum value, we have to take the first row minimum value is the 10. We have to select this one. 14, 7 minimum value is 14, 7. In these two minimum value is 7. 7 you have to select. Here becomes subtract 7 from 14. 7 you can get here 0. You have to cross. This one is completed. And next one is the next row minimum value is 30. 8, 9 minimum value is 8. You can take 8. 0 becomes here 1. This one you have to cross. Next row minimum value is in this row minimum value is 40. This one is 7, 1 minimum value is 1. Here 0. This row completed. Here 6 will be there. Next minimum value is 20. 7, 18 minimum value is 7. Here you became 11. Next minimum value is 40. 5, 11. In this one you are getting 5. You can select minimum value. 5, 11 minimum value is 5. You can take this one completed. This one you can cross. Next one is 11. 6 will be there subtracting. Next minimum element is 70. 6 you have to take. 0 becomes 0. Explanation for this one is first minimum value. First row minimum value 19, 30, 50, 10. In this one we have to select 10 as the minimum value. This is the row minima method. For that reason we have to select minimum element 10. So the first allocation is made in 1, 4th cell. Here row 1 column 4. We have to select this one, cell 1, 4. The amount of minimum allocation made 7, 14. Minimum will be the 7. We exhaust the availability from factory F1 and thus we cross out. We have to this one exhausted. We have to cross this one. The first row from the transportation table. Now we choose second row since in this one minimum value is the 30. So minimum value second row minimum value is the 30. So allocation is made at 2, 2. Cell this cell is the 2, 2. We have to make allocation. The amount allocation is minimum of 8, 9. Minimum value is 8. You have to cross this one. Completed this requirements and here 1 will be there. This satisfies the requirements of warehouse. W2 is cross out second from table, transportation table. Now minimum of 70, 40, 60 will be the 40 is the minimum value. In this one you have to take minimum value is the minimum value. In this one 1, 7 minimum value is the 1, 1. You have to select the capacity is completed. You have to cross this one also. Allocation is made at 1, 7. Allocation is made at 3, 2, 3. This satisfies the factory capacity F2. So we simply cross out. Second one we have to cross out. Next row minimum value 40, 70, 20. Minimum is the 20. And here allocation is amount of allocation 7, 18 will be there. In this one minimum is the 7. You have to select 7. Here satisfies the warehouse requirement W4 and from the transportation table. The next minimum is in the cell 3, 1. This one you have to make allocate 5. Here requirements 5. You have to 5. The next minimum in the cell is the 3, 3. We have to select here 6. Here 6 will be there. We have to allocate 6. So total cost is 7 into 10, 8 into 30, 1 into 40 plus 5 into 40. Here 10, how we are writing 10 means here in this place 10 into 7, 8 into 30, 40 into 1, 40 into 5, 70 into 6, 20 into 7. In this manner we have to write total cost become this one. Column minima method also similar to row minima method, except we apply minimum cost on column instead of rows. Just we have to take the least element in the column wise, not row wise. In column minima method, row column wise minimum value we have to select. Thank you. If you like, subscribe the channel.